Alright guys, I'm gonna be real with you all. There was a point where I almost lost myself completely. I was drinking Jack Daniels every night, grabbing hot dogs from 7-Eleven, and honestly, I didn't care anymore. I wasn't training, I wasn't eating right. I wasn't living like the guy who built his life on high intensity training. I was on a hole, depressed, full of self-pity, and I lost all respect for myself. Let me be clear, it's not that I thought HIIT doesn't work. I knew it worked. I built my whole career on it. I lost me, that was it. I lost the power to self-love. Rational self-love. And that was the scariest part, knowing that the system works, but not having the drive to actually use it. One day I just looked at myself and I thought that, man, you're a complete disaster. Alcohol binges wrecked my body. I was soft, bloated, weak, and that wasn't me. It just wasn't. So I finally said enough. When I started fighting back, HIIT was the rope I grabbed onto. It was the lifeline that pulled me out of that fucking gutter. But I also knew I needed the right fuel this time. Because without nutrition dialed in, I wasn't going to make it. Exactly where Carb 300 came from. I used versions of it in my contest days to get on stage looking full and shredded. But this time it was about saving my life. I put the pieces together, created the structure, and suddenly my body started responding again. Muscle came back, and for the first time in a long time, I felt like me again. High intensity training plus this nutrition approach, that's what got me back on the road. Back on the map, and honestly, back in love with training and life itself. So if you're out there right now feeling like you've lost your edge, if you've been down, burned out, or ready to quit, I've been there, trust me. I know what it feels like not to care anymore. Here's the thing, you don't have to stay there. With the right training, the right mindset, and the right fuel, you can pull yourself out of it. High intensity training was my lifeline. Carb 300 was the system that made it work. If it saved me from hitting rock bottom, it can work for you too. So here's what I'm going to be doing. I finally put Carb 300 all in writing so you can use it for yourself. You can grab it right now on my website, my main website, highintensitycoach.com. If you're ready to climb out of that hole like I did, start here. Trust me, it's worth it. Claim your spot, no excuses, just results. Let's do this.